Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pinewood Derby wheels is probably one of the most crucial factors determining the speed and performance of your race car, and choosing the right ones can significantly impact your chances of winning. This video will guide you through the selection process, helping you understand the different types of wheels available, their characteristics, and how to choose the perfect set for your Pinewood Derby car, ensuring you have a competitive edge on race day. Number 5. Maximum Velocity Derby Car Kit. Get ready for the race. This kit has everything you need to build a winning car, and it's all top quality. It comes with pre-installed wheels and axles, ready to go. No need to worry about imperfections or extra work. These blocks are made from soft, kiln-dried pine, precisely cut to the official BSA size. They're perfect for shaping your car. Maximum Velocity has been serving the Pinewood Derby community for 20 years, ensuring quality and performance. This kit is made with pride in the USA, using only the finest materials. You can trust its quality and durability. Order your Maximum Velocity Derby Car Kit now and experience the thrill of victory. It's easy to assemble and guaranteed to perform. What we like. These wheels and axles are ready to use, right out of the box. No extra work is needed, saving you valuable time. If you're short on time but want quality, this is the perfect choice for a quick and easy build. What people say. Good quality. Blocks are premium quality. Wheels have a very premium look, in fact the best looking straight out of the package that I have ever seen period when compared to BSA or Awana, and especially better than the Pinewood Derby junk wheels. The blocks, wheels and axles were very high quality. Number 4. Maximum Velocity Pine Derby Wheels and Axles. These aren't your average wheels. They're professionally lathed on a state-of-the-art CNC lathe for precision and speed. Each wheel has a matching mold number, guaranteeing identical measurements for maximum velocity. Get ready to win. Forget those standard axles. These are accurately round, improving performance and saving you time. They're ready to race right out of the package. No burrs, no crimp marks, just pure speed. Maximum Velocity has been proudly serving the Pinewood Derby community for over 2 decades. We're here to help you win. With these wheels and axles, you'll have a competitive edge. Polish them for even greater performance. What we like. These are precision-made for peak performance. The matched mold numbers guarantee consistency, maximizing your car's speed. If you prioritize precision and want a competitive edge, choose these. What people say. Machined nails and smooth wheels. These wheels and axles are superior and Derby approved. These filed, sanded and polished axles saved us a ton of time. Number 3. Pinewood Pro Speed Wheels. These wheels come straight from the official BSA kit. They're then enhanced with Pinewood Pro's unique techniques for superior performance. Our engineers lathe each wheel's treads, hubs, and rims. This precision tuning results in lighter wheels and faster speeds. The coned and squared hubs are meticulously designed. They minimize friction, allowing for a smoother, faster run. They feature a patent-pending graphite coating on the treads and hubs. This provides a slick surface for optimal speed. All 4 wheels are matched from the same mold for perfect balance. They're track-tested and proven to increase your car's speed. What we like. These wheels are engineered for speed with a unique graphite coating for reduced friction. The lightweight design and precision tuning give you a significant advantage on race day. If you are looking for maximum speed and are willing to pay a premium, these are for you. What people say. These graphite-coated wheels gave me an edge. I won the top 2 spots by just 1.5 of a second. These wheels worked well and performed great. These wheels with the polished graphite axles definitely gave me a lot more spin than last year's car. Number 2. BSA Speed Wheels by Pinewood Pro. These wheels are designed to give your Pinewood Derby car the edge. They're precision-tuned for faster starts and higher speeds. Each wheel is carefully lathed in 5 areas for a lighter weight and smoother ride. This results in excellent performance on the track. The unique lathing of the treads reduces friction, allowing it to spin more smoothly and reach higher speeds. Outperform the competition. These wheels start as official BSA Pinewood Derby wheels, ensuring they meet most race regulations. All BSA markings remain visible. The coned and squared hubs at the center of each will further reduce friction against the car body. This translates to even greater speed. Our special lathing process makes them 0.2 grams lighter, eliminating imperfections and providing a significant speed advantage. These wheels have been rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance. Get ready to win. What we like. These wheels are lighter and smoother than the competition, giving you a speed boost. They're also officially compliant with BSA rules. If you need a fast, legal wheel, this is your best bet. What people say. When coupled with polished axles, they spin forever. We beat a lot of aftermarket bodied cars, much to the chagrin of their owners. So that's shaving 1.68 grams of reciprocating mass. You can tell they were lightly lathed and true to a flat surface. I found these to be from good castings. Not all of the stock wheels are perfectly round, with dimensions that make them allowable for my son's pack. Used with graphite and a properly smoothed axle nail, you will notice a difference in speed. Number 1. Pinewood Derby Wheels, Black. These are the official Pinewood Derby wheels, ensuring your car is race-ready. They're designed for speed and performance, giving you the best chance to win. Rest assured, these wheels meet all official Pinewood Derby regulations. You won't be disqualified for using them, they're perfectly legal. Made from high-quality materials, they're built to last. Expect smooth, consistent performance throughout the race. This package contains 4 black wheels and axles, everything you need to equip your car. Get ready to race. Give your Pinewood Derby car the competitive edge it deserves. These wheels will help you achieve your best time. These are the officially licensed wheels from the Boy Scouts of America, guaranteeing authenticity and quality. Get yours today. What we like. These are the official BSA wheels, ensuring they meet all regulations. The classic black color is a timeless choice. If you want the official wheels and a simple, no-frills option, these are perfect for you. What people say. Saves buying the whole kit. My grandson had a school project that he asked me to help with. As a Cub Scout leader for almost 25 years, I knew we needed something like the wheels on Pinewood Derby cars. They fit the bill. Had to do a little sanding to make smooth, but they worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.